Hey everybody, Wimless here, doing a video on my little bug out gun cleaning kit. Now as you can see, I took a small ammo can. This is a 30 caliber ammo can, and I put a bunch of gun cleaning supplies in it if I need it to bug out, because you need to keep your guns clean. Right here is my snake bore for my 9mm. Got another snake bore for my AK. Toothbrush. Scrubbing grime and dirt out. I have a few of these shop towels, using as rags and shit. CLP. It's 3-in-1. Cleaner, lubricant, and preventative. Look at these little clean rod adapter things. This came with my AK. And I got it full of military grade gun lubrication. Little brush for the AK also. This is for all my other guns. They're little pieces and parts and accessories for the gun clean brush. See if you can see that. Yeah, I got some wire brushes and a couple mops. Thanks for watching.